Think spy gadgets are just for movies? Think again. These high-tech tools are real and they're more powerful than you ever imagined. From invisible cameras to James Bond-level gadgets, you won't believe what's out there. Let's dive in. Number 1. Think the dark is empty? Think again. 4K clarity, 5x zoom, see everything, even in total darkness. Instant preview, rock-steady shots, no blurry moments. All-night power, ready for any adventure. Number 2. Smart glasses just got an upgrade. 12-megapixel camera, 5 mics, record, snap, or go live, hands-free. AI-powered answers, real-time info, just ask. Stay connected without tuning out the world. Number 3, a pen that records in 1080p HD, yep. One click to record meetings, classes, or anything important. Easy file transfer, big storage, no hassle. Long-lasting battery, perfect for on the go. Number 4, this tiny recorder packs a punch. One-touch recording, crystal clear sound, no noise, just pure voice. Voice-activated mode saves battery and memory. Genius, right? Record while charging. Never miss a moment. Number 5. This isn't just a watch, it's a 1080p hidden camera. One-click recording, real-time playback, and no phone needed. Would you use this for security or just for fun? Number 6. This light bulb is actually a 2K security camera. Want 360-degree full-color night vision and motion alerts straight to your phone? Just screw it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're protected, indoors or outdoors. Would you install this in your home? Number 7. Tired of slow data and dropped calls? Try the WeBoost Drive X. Boost 5G and 4G LTE for all U.S. carriers. Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. 33% stronger signal, easy setup, and perfect for remote areas. Number 8. Want to see in total darkness? These 4K night vision goggles turn night into day. With full color clarity, 5x zoom, and long-range IR, you'll never miss a thing. Number 9. Need real-time tracking. The SpyTech GPS Mini Tracker has 4G worldwide coverage, geo-fencing alerts, and a 14-day battery. Track your car, kids, or valuables instantly. Number 10. Think you're alone? Hidden cameras could be watching. The PRO portable hidden camera detector instantly finds spy cams, even behind objects. Just press a button, scan, and take control of your privacy. Where would you check first? And there you have it. Some of the most powerful spy gadgets you can actually get your hands on. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insane gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Check out the links in the description to grab your own spy gear. See you in the next one.